Welcome to Zipolite, Mexico's first legal nude beach.
If you're planning a trip here, don't miss our travel tips and the top 5 things to do in Zipolite.
Let's go. Hey everyone, two gay expats here. I'm Andy.
And I'm Trey. We've taken a number of extended trips here to Zipolite, so we have tons of Zipolite travel tips for you. We've received a lot of questions in the past few months about Zipolite and how it is after Hurricane Agatha back in May. We can definitely say it is open for business. Almost all of the businesses have reopened at this point, except for maybe Hotel Naked, which is probably the most obvious reconstruction that's still happening on the beach. We've noticed a lot of changes. What are some of the ones you noticed?
Well, Chisme has moved down the street to a more intimate location.
Yeah, down a little alleyway right behind its old location.
Baco,
Yeah.
Fenice, they're still closed, but they're opening in December. They've changed locations as well.
They've changed locations. So yeah, just a few changes, but all in all, I wouldn't hesitate to book a trip here. Zipolite is back and better than before. So yeah, come and support Zipolite.
On this trip, we're staying at Casa Nudista, a hetero-friendly LGBTQ boutique hotel located in town. Unlike many places in Zipolite which are clothing optional, this hotel is nudism mandatory. Casa Nudista also has a super fun weekly pool party open to everyone on Saturdays. If you're interested in learning more about our stay here and our full hotel review, we'll add a link to that video in the description below. Now, let's get on with the top 5 things to do in Zipolite.
For number 5 on our list, get up early for sunrise. Did you know that Zipolite faces directly south, which affords you some of the best sunrises and sunsets on the Oaxaca coast? One of our favorite places to catch sunrise is from the rocks at the far west end of the beach by hotels Alchemista and Shambhala. It is a beautiful spot to sit and listen to the waves crash at daybreak. After sunrise, enjoy a leisurely walk down this just over 1 mile long beach. You'll find all sorts of people, from yogis to couples taking a morning swim in the nude. Sunrise at Zipolite is truly a magical experience. Next, head to the Adoquin or Roca Blanca, the main street in town named after the famous White Rock offshore. Here you'll find Alma Verde, our favorite spot in Zipolite for a healthy jugo verde or green juice and a delicious acai bowl.
For number 4 on our list of the best things to do in Zipolite, you have to suntan in your birthday suit. It's Mexico's first legal nude beach, after all. Grab a beach lounger at one of the many beach clubs on Playa Zipolite, the main beach, or over the rocks at the far east end of the beach at Playa del Amor, the beach of love.
When you need a break from the sun, walk down to the far west end of the beach to Shambhala. For number 3 on our list of the best things to do in Zipolite, enjoy a relaxing massage at Masaji Shambhala. Prices at this beachside venue start at a very affordable 750 pesos, or about $38 for a 50-minute relaxing massage.
Another great option for a beachside massage is Massage Zipolite. Prices for a professional massage here are similarly affordable, and they accept credit cards as well. They also have side-by-side tables, so it's the perfect place for a couple's massage.
By now, you're likely getting hungry and thirsty. For number 2 on our list, definitely it's time for lunch and drinks with a view. Our first stop in Zipolite is always Alchemista, our favorite luxury beachfront hotel. We come here at least once a day for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
We also love their amazing frozen margaritas.
The food and service are always on point here, and the view cannot be beat. It's also super popular with the gays.
Alchemista basically has its own secluded beach here on Playa Zipolite.
Another one of our favorite places to eat and drink is Maquil. It's located up the hill on the west side of town, where you'll also find stunning properties like Casa Calmar. Maquil is equally gorgeous and offers incredible views of Zipolite Beach. Again, the food, drinks, and service are all excellent here. We're so happy to see both of these restaurants open again and thriving after the hurricane.
Also, for a travel tip, while reservations are not required for lunch, they are definitely recommended for dinner.
Another Zipolite travel tip is to come with cash. There's only one ATM that's currently working in town right next to the Mexoni boutique. It allows you to take out just 5,000 pesos at a time and always decline the conversion for the best FX rate. You always want your bank to do that for you.
Well, you've made it to the end of our countdown of the top 5 things to do in Zipolite. For number 1 on our list, you can't miss sunset at Playa del Amor, the beach of love. This magical spot is where Zipolite comes together each night to swim, socialize, and of course, watch the sky light up with brilliant colors at sunset. Often, you'll hear traveling musicians play or see a thrilling fire show for a few pesos tip.
To reach Playa del Amor, you climb over the steps at the far east end of Playa Zipolite. You may have to wade through about a foot or 2 of water to make it to the steps depending on the time of year. Once you reach the top of the stairs, you will be treated to a breathtaking view of Playa del Amor carved in between huge rocks. Playa del Amor has quickly become one of our favorite beaches in the world.
There are 2 palapas here called Tony and Mary, respectively. Tony's palapa is closest to the stairs, followed by Mary's palapa. Domestic beers are now 40 pesos or $2, up from 30 pesos before the rebuild due to the hurricane. After sunset, candles come out and the party continues.
On the walk back into town, Chuy's Beach House is an awesome spot to stop for Spanish tapas and wine. We really enjoy the views and people watching from here, and the papas bravas, or the fried potatoes with aioli, are next level.
In town, Avenida Roca Blanca comes alive after sunset with restaurant tables spilling onto the street. You'll also find live street performers and local vendors who set up shop along the main street in the evenings when the temperatures are cooler. At the end of the street, for the best Thai and Asian food in Zipolite, take the lighted bridge over the water to the romantic restaurant called Mau Mau, which means drunk cat. Literally everything on the menu here is fantastic. The bar also offers a nice selection of wines that you may not be able to find elsewhere in town. Mau Mau is another great choice for dinner.
Afterwards, head for late night dancing and a show at La Maxima Nue, which is formerly Club Demetria. Around midnight, the club will be absolutely packed and everyone's spirits are super high. It's great energy for sure. Well, that's it for our video on Zipolite travel tips and the top 5 things to do in Zipolite. If you like this video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Hasta luego!